If I want to calculate the average in my data, so I will use the average formula. In this data, I mentioned the product quantity for the January, February, March and the April. If I want to calculate the average quantity in each column in each month, so I will use the average formula, which start with is equal to AVER, and you can see the first option is the average option. Press tab, select the first cell reference, then colon sign, and then last cell reference, close of bracket. When you select the first cell reference, colon sign, and then the last cell reference, so it auto calculate the whole range within the cell. If I press enter, so now it's showing me 160 is the average value for the month of January. So if I would like to calculate the average value for the rest of the columns, so what I will do, I will just simply drag this cell from the bottom and then start dragging it, and then it's showing me the average value for the rest of the columns.